Is he being a cat? Sniff, sniff, sniff. What is he going after? Oh, the cord, the cord.
The cord was dangling. He batted at it. It's a very bored kitty.
Yes, he is.
Meow.
There's that cats around. None of the birds are outside, so he's bored because he's nothing to watch. Another reason why I want to get rid of those cats. Meow. Meow. Yes, the mister. Come on. Yes, there's a butt in my face.
Tail shake, tail shake, tail shake.
Can I assist you? Are you gonna rub against the phone? Okay. And the keyboard. And the computer.
Take those out.
Day in the life of Mister.